So now it's time for the front piece. See how much I need to do here. Here it's a crack, and down here it's a crack. That's what I found, and that piece has broken off. I have a part there that will be welded on again. So yeah, do that and take away all the stickers and try to make this piece usable again. Right, so first I'm gonna take off the stickers. Right, stickers off. There, that's here. Same procedure. Just to clean and start the repairs. Right, and then it is this little thingy. So now it's just cut these things down and try to melt some plastic. Right, so now I have welded this and so it sits good. I have fixed this crack, that's okay, and that crack, and if you see on the other side I have started to sand here. So right now I'm gonna try to fix the keyhole here, because as you can see the hole is too big. So I'll try to fix that. So first I put this tape piece here, and then turn around and try to fill with some plastic where the tape is. So we'll see how that goes. Right, so now I just cut up a little piece, and I'm gonna try to melt it in. We'll see how that goes. Right. Right, so Now I'm gonna turn it around. Right. Okay. Right. So now I'm gonna try to put on some more plastic and then make it nicer. That's it. Right, so now it has cooled down, so I'll try to sand it and see what happens. Right, so this is good enough, and then go try this again, mark it up where I need to. Right there. Right. Let's see now. So let's see here. Yeah, this will work. Awesome. Right, so now the body parts are ready to be sanded. I'm not gonna film that because that's just boring. Right, so now I'm gonna try to see if I can make this more pretty. So we'll see. Cool. Sweet. You do get better. Nice. That's fun. Right? So, better than it was. Sweet. One more thing done. Right? Scored some new parts. New seat, wheels, and the front bumper. So, yeah. Starting to get sorted now. Sweet. Right. Starting to get somewhere now. Just have to put the plastic on to see how it will turn out.